Everybody have the hands when we get my clocks. Everybody have the hands when we get my clocks. The leather hard, this way top.
I woke up this morning, was born out in Kingston and leaving Jamaica abroad, not to England. This is my page, and the first post here you see in look a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Excellent process. Yeah. One bag of money. Yard one a foreign. Give him a little bird can team him some stay same way like me daddy. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. We advance academically and professionally, extraterrestrially and even medically. Sell we to everybody, take the molly, superfragically, lesbially, sexually, get the dolly ben reality. In a every alley, genitally make Beverly see. Up I do nally, then be clearing that name after me. No go tell Rivali, anti-valley no mediocrity. Black magic, watch fraud. Get a black puss with a black dog. A mad sus, when mad dog. Addi left a bad push with the cash card. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dogs them fully advanced. Black money, black card, rich like who lick a nigga stop talk. Pussy them a cap a axe off in a frag of me dog them fully advanced. Yes, that's right there. You see me? Tough a lie, bad.
Everybody have the hands when we get my clocks. Everybody have the hands when we get my clocks. The leather hard, this way top. From more that's in J.A. So much things I did not say. I'm from Portmore, that's in J.A. Kartel and Cardi on replay. Hey, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Set it, rock it. So a buckshot, the more you got, heads up, don't get me not. When it's sweet, you, bah, bomba cloud. Go cut, the more you got, extra, don't get me not. When it's sweet, you, cartel, sir. Get me not extra. Yes, sir. Our artist big Cardi B Bumbleclot. You see that? The man forward from under the dirt like Satan. Wrong occupation. Some man got follow a boss and do because them have to follow Gaza. You see me? Gaza Nation are the revelation. You see me? Gaza Nation after every nation, because a Gaza Nation bust unruly nation, Sparta Nation, Kartel are the creation to all other nation. You see me? Even the Alkaline Nation, the detonation, and them represent death. That's why the girl drop out. You know, here say Alkaline girl drop out, and me I tell you no say name is powerful. I'm done telling you about the dream when me get for the data boss. You get what me I say? So we know say them copy we with the vendetta. You get me? And watch ya. Them choose the wrong thing. Cartel set them up for them fail. Because them go choose the vendetta. Watch ya, you know? The vendetta. And then what else the data got in there associate with? Venn diagram. So them are die in every way. You see me? And Cartel are gonna live. You see me? Live forevermore. Like Christmas Day. Because of Christ Kartel. You see what I say? Just follow the signs and look how everything align. Vybz Kartel connected to Isaac Buchanan. Right? We know I said Javi and Jeffrey, them are arch enemy. Zane, I remember say walkie talkie go try get the interview from Kartel and them get a good talk. You see me? And then Jeffrey this Alkaline and him gang them. You see me? Yo, you know see it, everything. Me done tell you no Vybz Kartel are the core of goodness, the core of godness, the core of godliness, the core of graciousness. Gaza Nation are the revelation, Gaza Nation of every nation, Gaza Nation are we occupation. And Gaza Nation is a frustration to every pagan. You see me I say? That's why them are try rise against us and there will be a final war. You see me? And that is judgment day. It's way wickeder than the Gully and the Gaza war. The Gully and Gaza war was nothing. It's brewing. We see it forward in. You see me? So on a strength to strength, the war no make a sense. But you know the Alkaline, them blind and them need lens. You see me? So right now them tense. You see me? Cause right now you know see the Gaza blur nah. Yo, the Gaza beat them bad from what you know? From Vybz Kartel touch the ground. A earthquake a shape them blood clot. From Vybz Kartel go so and touch the ground, it done. Cause nobody no flock them. Never. Zine, everybody a flock Kartel them silent. My sister a mosquito the Venn diagram people them a beat. You see me, them are dying everywhere. Them choose death over life. Cause Vybz Kartel say, him a go live till him a 200. A life who say, more life, more money, more wife, more life. Alkaline say, no wife. You see me? Him say, him still a say brata and him still a say gelbin. So therefore, him no say life. Him say death way. The death away. You no see the sign. Alright, you no stay there no. You no go and choose the wrong side. You see me? The wrong side on the choose. You see me? Just follow the sign of the universe. And me alone are showing them thing, you know. You see me? Foot a hype him a the blur now arch enemy for one Kevin. One Kevin a good youth. You see me? Foot a hype him evil. I be a lime tell. You get me I say? Clout him run down. You see it? One you notice as I tell you no? Say the Gaza were more powerful than them. Because one of Popcorn vlogger them, you know, Zane, who Popcorn certify as him vlogger, you know. Zane, him a make be nice and nobody not hear him, you know. A Gaza uncle make them hear him, you know. Cause the boy will find out, so the boy got this Vybz Kartel mother and a style cartel every day, you know, Zane. And Popcorn give him, confirm him, Popcorn, what you just say now? Popcorn, certify him. You see me? Popcorn give him that certification. You see me? That legitimacy. Him have the authority for can speak and for represent Popcorn. So whatever I'm say, you know what say goes for Popcorn as well. Because if Popcorn a page him and say Ray, then Ray. You see me I say? Then at that Popcorn a say whatever it is that you there say. And then I find out say him this cartel mother, but I be this him this cartel, you see me? So when nobody no hear him, nobody no hear that, not the way him say nobody no hear. But as soon as Gaza uncle go fix him and say, alright, Popcorn now mind him mother and she reach out to Popcorn for just $500 and him take 4 days and she still can't get it up to now. Legend has it say she still a reach out and a wait. You see me? So it passed 4 days. We don't know what really going on now, but legend has it that she still a wait. You see me? So you know Popcorn a beat. And then everybody now here, because Gaza Uncle and One Kevin have the mighty voice. Just like when God talk, everybody have a quake and the earth shake. You see me, all the creatures them recognize. So you see me, we play this black again and make you see what go on, you see me. So everybody a lose, man. From Kartel touch the ground, what do everything. And then guess what? I'm touch the ground, Zane, and I him the people in flock. And then watch ya. Kartel get recognized as one of the top 10 famous people from the Caribbean, along with Rihanna, Celine Dion, Shaggy, and a few others. No other dancehall artist no unite other than Sean Paul. You get what I say? None of who no favorite dancehall artist no unite. That's why we have to jump from Bounty, jump to Beanie. Anytime we want to try to find somebody for size up to Kartel, we jump to fence to fence and wagon to wagon, we jump like bunny rabbit and bullfrog. You see me? Because you can't pick one artist for represent anything for test Kartel. You get me I say? So now if you use piece of the artist here sometime, use that one there next time, and not just one Kartel we are say, one Kartel we are use. You see me? Right true. And now if you use every artist, now if you left Jamaica, go to Tupac and Biggie, yeah, make a run this back again, because at the best this, Kartel. You see that? You see that? On a flap. Blood clot. On a flap. Everybody have the hands when me get my clocks. Want it, we can have it. But don't take me for granted. So much things I did not say. I can put more that's in J. Hey, we can do it on that relay. Hey, talk, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it, set it, broke it. Back shot, somehow you got extra. Forget me not when it's sweeter. What you say? Here are. But viva la baba la boo la pa yalla mine the best Philippines the best boo. The baddest and the bestest, the greatest, the most and highly rated, and still the most hated, the greatest to ever have populated the place with all type of babies. You get what me I say? Vybz Kartel, Christ Kartel. You see me? What is under my nose? My spliff. But this, what is over my spliff? My nose. But what is spliff there now? I'm out.